How to see who blocked you on Facebook. I have two ways. Let's start with the first way. So for doing that, what you have to do is open up your Facebook app and then go to your profile, which is situated here, or you can simply go to your three-barred icon and then tap on see your profile, or you can simply go to the profile icon, which is situated right beside the bell icon. And then here you can scroll a bit down and you will find an option where you can see all friends. Tap on that, and here you can search for that specific friend, and if that friend is not there, or you cannot see their profile or view their Facebook profile, then there might be a possibility that he or she blocked you. Now the other thing is you can search or look for that friend here by going on the search bar. If you try to search for that person and there is no information, or you cannot see that person, then that is actually one of the signs that that person blocked you. So the other way to confirm it's you is you can use your friends or any other person's mobile phone, and then on the Facebook you can go and search for that specific friend, and if you can see that on the other friend's mobile but you cannot see it on your mobile, your specific mobile, then there may be a possibility that that person has blocked you. So these were the few ways through which we can see who blocked you on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.